Hello, the Touch Hero here, and I will be showing you today how to get your own custom icons on your iPod Touch or iPhone. The first thing you're going to need to do is open up your web browser. You could use Yahoo Images, Bing Images, anything you want like that. I will be using Google Images for my example. First, you need to pick which logo you want to change. I will be changing my YouTube logo, so I will search YouTube icon. Then you're gonna press search. You're gonna pick which one you like. I like this one, so I'm gonna pick that one. You're gonna copy and then open up your picture editing software. I will be using Paint for my example. So you're gonna paste the picture into there, and Paint does not have a tool to make your background transparent. If your picture editing software does have a tool to make your background transparent, that's great. But if you're using Paint, I'm sorry, but you are gonna have to make it a solid color background. So tweak it up, do what you want to do with it, and then highlight the logo part. Then what you're going to want to do, if you look right here in the bottom corner, if you're using Paint anyway, it will show you the size of the picture as you're resizing it. So what you're going to do is you're going to want to resize it to 58 by 58. So right there, blam. Then you're going to resize your page to 58 by 58 too. If it's not exact, it's okay. That's just the best measurement. Then you're going to click File, Save As, and you're going to save it to your desktop. But you're not going to save the picture to your desktop. You're going to make a new folder. I recommend naming the folder your name and then icons. So mine is Carlos's icons, because my name's Carlos. The only reason I recommend doing that is because this title right here is what's going to show up when you open it on your Winterboard themes. Then you're going to make a new folder inside Carlos's icons, or your name icons. And this, no questions, has to be named capital Icon. So icons with a capital I. If you don't name it that, this is going to screw up and it's not going to work. So you're going to click on that. You're going to click on that, save it as a PNG file, and you're going to look at your iPod. And I'm changing my YouTube logo. So you're going to look to your YouTube. You're going to look at your YouTube logo, and underneath it says, well, whatever logo you're doing. And underneath it says capital Y O U capital T
exactly what it says.
So that's what you're going to type here.
Or one word.
So save that file as a PNG file inside icons, inside Carlos, your name's icon on your desktop. I know it's a lot, but you'll get the hang of it. So, and if you want to do more than one, just save it all under this icons folder. You don't have to make a new folder for every time you do it. So right now mine is saving and it's taking forever. Then when it's done saving, you're going to X out of everything and open up your SSH program. You're going to need to SSH into your iPod. If you don't know how, I'm going to be making a tutorial on it later. I'm going to be using iFunbox. And then you're going to need to click on raw file system. Most of them should already be on there. And then click VAR, and most of them should be on there too. If it's not, I'm sorry, but you're going to have to figure it out on yourself. So in VAR, you're going to click on something called Stash. Right here, Stash. You're going to click that one. Then it's going to take you to something called Applications, Ringtone, Themes, Wallpapers, Include, Export, whatever, Pam, and Share. What you're going to need to do is find your thing on your desktop. Mine's right here. You're going to need to drag it into Themes. Not under it, not over it. Not on top of it. Into it. So like right on top of it, right where Themes is highlighted. And then it's going to say copying into themes, blah blah blah, and it should like look funky for a second. So until it says it's done copying, then you just leave it alone. Then you need to make sure it's there. I have two because I've already done this. But here's mine. So then you're gonna X out of your SSH and unplug your iPod. Now what you're gonna do is go onto your iPod and go to Winterboard. You're gonna click Select Themes, and then it should be the one you just added on the top. Mine says Carlos's Icons. So then you're gonna respring your springboard, and it should work just by clicking the home button. So you can't do anything because it's respringing right now. And then wait for it to respring. So you're gonna wait for it to finish respringing, and then it should take you back to your lock screen, which it will do in a minute. Here we go. Right now my iPod's screwed up, so it's not working, but for you it should work, because for some freaking reason my iPod won't copy anything when I SSH it. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions and comments, leave them down there below in the comment area. Thank you.